Hey everyone, in this video we will learn how to register and send money using Wise mobile application formerly known as TransferWise. If you are here for the first time, please hit that subscribe button for such informational videos. You can download the app through the Android Play Store or iOS App Store or using the link in the description to receive a free card or a free transfer up to £500. This is the official application. Once the app is installed, click open. The first step is registration. Enter your active email address and click next. What type of account you would like to create, personal or business? I'm clicking personal. Enter the country where you live the most, then your phone number. You'll receive the security code for the verification. Enter the code here and create the password. You can set up biometrics to open the app so that you don't need to remember the login details. Registration is complete. This is the home page. Here you can see your previous transactions and below you can view the exchange rate for your preferred currency. Click on Edit to change it. I'm selecting INR. Click on Send to start the transaction. As I'm sending to India, I'm changing the currency to INR. Wise has a feature where you can compare the live exchange rate with other money transfer apps. By the way, I use Remitly to send money. I believe that app is way more user-friendly than Wise. I have uploaded a video on how to register and send money using Remitly app. The link is in the I button and also mentioned in the description below. Click on this to see different options through which you can send money. Sending money directly from your bank account has the lowest fee, and if you have a GBP account outside the UK, and then click on continue. You can search for the recipient if they use Wise and send money directly to them, or you will have to enter their bank details manually. Click on add. Choose if you're sending to yourself or someone else, or a business or a charity. I'm selecting myself. Enter the recipient bank details and address and click confirm. You can also send money via UPI. Once the details are added, select the recipient, then review your transfer details and proceed further. Thank you for watching. Jai Hind.